Use it for your egg sandwich, your chicken salad sandwich. Okay, there are some recipes that call for mayo. Okay, just add that in. Hi, my name is Jasmin, and today I'm going to make keto mayonnaise. So keto mayonnaise is very easy. The problem is using raw eggs. So the problem with raw eggs is that Malaysians do not want to use raw eggs because of the bacteria. Because we get our things from the supermarket, we don't know how fresh they are. So I'm going to show you how we pasteurize the eggs first to kill all the germs. And then after that, we are going to just make the mayonnaise together. And it's super, super fast. So when you see this, you will start to realize how nice it is to make your own mayonnaise without any chemicals inside there. Okay? It's keto mayonnaise. If you make it on your own, you know there's no preservative. It's good for you. The problem is that we are going to use eggs. So normally a mayo recipe calls for raw eggs. And you know, Malaysians, Singaporeans, Asians, we Asians do not like to use raw eggs because we don't know how fresh the eggs are. We get them from the supermarket. So I'm going to show you how we pasteurize the eggs, all right? So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to heat the water up to 60 degrees Celsius. We're going to close the lid. Now, I'm going to choose this warm up 60 degrees Celsius and let it start. So when it starts, right, what it'll do is it'll stop once it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. So see you soon, okay? So while we are waiting for that, I've got 3 eggs, okay? I'm going to put into a little basket here, and this basket will be put inside here afterwards. Okay, 60 degrees Celsius. The eggs are inside here. 3 eggs, medium size. Close it. In it goes. Close the lid. Now, I've done a lot of reading about pasteurizing eggs, and I think this is it, okay? I've done a lot of reading. So, according to the experts, if you want the eggs to remain and to allow it to look like raw eggs, the maximum you can have it is 3 minutes, okay, at 60 degrees Celsius, not more than that, okay? Because if you go longer than that, it'll start to look like hard-boiled eggs, or half-boiled egg, which is not what you want, okay? So try this and see, all right? Okay, 3 minutes up, all right? Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want only the egg yolk because a really creamy mayonnaise, you know, I like the Japanese style ones. So the Japanese style ones, the egg yolks are really, really creamy, okay? Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites, okay? As much as possible, okay? In it goes. 1, 2. Ironically, right, my son, one of my sons, has egg allergies, so he can't take any of these. All right, done. So I'm going to wash my hands now, all right? I'm going to dry the bowl as much as I can, all right? Let's go to the mayo Thermomix, all right? Now, step 1, add the vinegar in. Step 2, add the mushroom powder in. Step 3, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, if you use the Himalayan salt, it's going to be less salty, so you're just going to add a little bit more. Or what you do is, once you mix it in, have a taste. If you need more, just add more, right? Okay. Close the lid. Okay. go to speed 4. Forget about the time, we go to speed 4. Okay, as it mix, we put in 1 egg at a time to let it mix. All right, 1 second egg yolk, only the egg yolk, right? 3 egg yolks inside there. Close the lid, then drizzle in the oil a little bit at a time. And it will mix very, very well, okay? Trust me. Now you're starting to be able to hear the sound, okay? It's starting to sound different. Can you hear it? Almost there. Almost there. Oh, there you go. All right. Oops. Sorry. Okay, got too excited. We're going to try it now, okay? Look at this. All right. It's so fabulous. You know, you make your own mayo. You can make your own chicken sandwich. Just nice. Let you see, okay? So all these I can add it into a jar. All right. Put this aside. Oh, see how thick it is. Just nice for a jar. Just nice. Okay, you gotta try it. And it's fresh, that's the thing. Okay? Done. Get you this amount. Alright? Okay,